Now coming to the hot questions, it says land is an important gift of nature. Justify the statement. So you need to explain that how is land an important gift of nature. Okay, so you can basically start with the data, and you can start off with that land covers about 29% of the total surface area of the earth. It is the most important gift of nature. Human beings meet most of their needs from it. And then you can start, write in your own words that how is it gift of nature. Like if there will be no land, there will be no agriculture, and if there will be no agriculture, then no humans, animals can sustain. So for every activity we need some kind of base, and for that land is a base, right? So if there will be no land, so nothing can be done. What will we do with the water? We cannot survive just with water. We need food as well, right? So for everything we require land in order to make house, in order to do agriculture, okay, in order to construct school, in order to have anything we need land. So that is why land is an important natural resource. Then you can give your justification and give reasons for it. All right, now the last hot question is kind of similar to the previous question only, but the question is molded in different words. It says, why do you think the demand for fresh water is increasing? So you can first give certain data, and you can start with, out of the total amount of water present on the earth's surface, only about 3% is fresh water. Okay, about 2/3 of this fresh water remains frozen in the ice caps and glaciers. So that means only about 1% of this fresh water is available on earth's surface, and which is fit for human use. And then you can continue explaining your answer, that why is their demand for fresh water increasing. So the first very basic answer is, in order to match the growing population. So population is growing with a very high speed, and we have very limited fresh water. So that is why there is a huge scarcity of fresh water. Then the other important thing is that we are literally wasting water. We do not channelize for our important things or for our basic things. We actually waste water a lot. So that is why there is shortage of water. The third point can be like, in order to treat the water, the impurities of water, so setting up those systems are very expensive. So that is why there is uneven distribution of water, and there is huge demand for fresh water, right? So you can write these basic points, but the first point, the basic point which you will start with is that due to the increase in growing population, there is more demand for fresh water. All right.